Hey there, how's it going, guys? It's all good here and welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into Fusion 360 to craft something amazing together. First up, we're sketching the foundation of our design, a perfect circle. Let's start with the top view, and for that select XZ plane. Press C for the circle tool, and let's dial in a diameter of 112 millimeters. Got it? Great! Now, let's bring this sketch to life by hitting E for extrude. We're aiming for a height of 142 millimeters to create a solid cylinder. But wait, we want a hollow design, right? Let's fix that. Here's a cool trick: hide the solid body, bring back the sketch, and inside, we'll draw another circle. Select the same XZ plane again and hit C on your keyboard. This time 88 millimeters across. Time to extrude again. Unhide the body so that Fusion recognizes the operation as cutting operation. If it doesn't, you can select to subtract the portion from here. Now input 130 millimeters. And voila, we've got ourselves a hollow cylinder with a 12 millimeters thick wall. Next, we're going to punch a hole right through it. First, hide this body and enable the sketch if it's hidden. Now, go to Create Sketch and select the YZ plane to sketch on it. Hit L on your keyboard or select Line tool. Now check the construction line box or the center line box. Drag a line from the origin upwards and type in 88 millimeters and make sure the line is perpendicular. Select Circle tool or hit C on your keyboard and remember, disable the construction line. Diameter of hole is 32 millimeters. Let's extrude this circle, but first unhide the body. Make sure you've checked Symmetric and Cut option box. Now, drag the arrow to the moon. Focus: this part boasts internal threading, the unsung hero responsible for keeping our creation securely fastened together, much like the steadfast bonds of friendship that hold us close in times of need. To begin, hide the body once again. You know, hiding bodies seems to be a recurring theme around here. But hey, no need to call the authorities just yet. Sketch on the XY plane again. We need to start with a circle that's 58 millimeters away from the center. To mark this point, create a construction line. Start at origin and type in 58 millimeters or 116 by 2. For this curved part, the radius is 15 millimeters from this center. Hence, deselect the construction line type and select Circle tool. From this point, draw a circle of diameter 30 millimeters or type 15 into 2. Select Line tool and connect the two circles by clicking anywhere on the circle. Select the tangent circle constraint and select the circle first and then the line. Hit Escape on the keyboard to come out of this tool. Now, use Mirror tool to copy this on the other side as well. Select the line as the object and the construction line as the mirror line. Now trim the unwanted part from the sketch. Trimming, the eternal struggle of every CAD enthusiast. It's like trying to trim your overgrown hedge with a pair of safety scissors: tedious, time-consuming, and just a tad bit ridiculous. But hey, they say patience is a virtue, right? Fantastic! The sketch is complete, a masterpiece of lines and curves, ready to be brought to life in the digital realm. With the body unhidden, extrude the sketch to 90 millimeters. No, wait, this doesn't seem right. Let's drag it down till, let's say, 60 millimeters? Yeah. This looks good.
No, I didn't forget the other side. I remember.
Alright, let's spread some symmetry magic with the Mirror tool. It's like copying and pasting, but with a touch of flair. Now, remember to set the object type to features. We're not just mirroring any old thing, we're mirroring our carefully crafted features. And for the pièce de résistance, select the YZ plane to unleash the power of symmetry. Just imagine, our creation perfectly mirrored on the other side, like twins separated at birth, reunited in the realm of CAD. Almost there. Now, let's tackle the threaded hole. With the body hidden, unhide the sketch. Yes, this one. I'm selecting the top view for now. To create a hole, you could again draw a circle and then extrude it to cut the part, but let me show you another tool. It's called the hole tool. Oh wait, you need the body to see the hole. Use the same point as the center for the hole. As you know by now, M16 means the hole is of diameter 16 millimeters. So, let's type in that here. The length of the hole is 40 millimeters. By default the option here is for 40 millimeters, so no need to change that. Now what do we have here? Hole type as simple, hole tap type as simple and drill type as angle. Looks fine to me. Alright, time to bid farewell to our trusty sketch.
No, I didn't forget the other side. I remember.
It seems like we're doubling down on symmetry once more. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the most symmetrical of them all? With a click here and a click there, we'll have our design perfectly mirrored, like reflections in a perfectly still pond. Thread time. Use this tool to save 9 and stitch in time. Once you click on the hole, Fusion recognizes the hole size as 16 millimeters. Select the other hole as well. Let's select the designation as M16 into 1. The 1 refers to the pitch size, mind you. Let me zoom in to show you that the tool actually works. Hang in there. The moment of truth has arrived, time to put our design under the microscope with section analysis. With a few clicks, we'll peel back the layers and reveal the inner workings of our creation, ensuring that every detail is just right. OMG!
Yeah, boy.
Okay, that's enough playing. This looks good, but we're always hungry for more. Aren't we? Apply a shade of blue to take our design to the next level. What better hue than a royal shade of blue? With a stroke of the virtual paintbrush, we'll infuse our creation with the calming yet captivating allure of blue. It's like giving our model a fresh coat of confidence, ready to stand out in the sea of CAD creations. To all you dedicated viewers who've stuck with us until the very end, congratulations! You've earned the honorary title of CAD connoisseur for your unwavering commitment to witnessing every click, zoom, and mirror in our design journey. Your patience and perseverance deserve a round of applause, or perhaps a virtual high five.